Hey everyone, this is Mr. Everything, and today I wanted to do an unboxing and installation overview of these bull bars by JaysAndKays. I bought this G-Shock, I believe it's the GA700 in 2017. It was the first G-Shock when I was getting into watches, so at the time I didn't have it, although I think this case may have been used on other watches. There was another one that kind of looked like this, but had like ugly hands that had like little holes in it and two little screens here. I didn't like that one. That one was before this. And there's been many 700s after. I think this became a pretty popular watch. So like I think for 2017 and 2018 there were so many different colors. So I believe these will work on any of those. And you can see there's obviously nothing here really, just I guess that's a sticker. Yeah, it's a sticker. Not sure if I'll put that on something or not. Because I was a little confused about the installation at first. For some reason I was thinking it would go like that even though they go on like this. And I thought maybe you'd have to try and slide it, but it's pretty simple. You just both sides are identical. And I was actually being a little afraid to kind of push that on, but it has a good bit of strength. Some people said they were hard to get back off. I don't really think this one will be the case. Personally, I went with the silver. I think it goes really nicely. It's not the same. This is like a matte plastic silver, and this is obviously just a polished, kind of raw looking silver. So it would make it feel like a matte, but at the same time, I mean, it kind of matches those hands. Those are a little bit more reflective. I think that looks really good. You can see it doesn't get in the way. It doesn't look perfect, but again, ones that G-Shock ever look really elegant, so. And in this particular model, I don't really think that this covers anything, because obviously I like that this is analog too. And one other thing you might have noticed is I actually switched the strap out. This is the one that comes on it with the little plastic clasp, and so that's whatever. I don't know if that has the model number on that or not. I just bought it on eBay. I just typed, I was just kind of going by what the style was. And you can see I actually hacked it up a little bit, so that was kind of a challenge, but it still holds nicely. And then it kind of all goes together now. It's a matte black with the nice indices and hour markers with this and with that, so it goes together nicely. And there you go. Protrudes a little bit, but that's kind of the point. Obviously these are made to take a beating, but they do show a bunch of nicks and stuff, and that's the most common thing if any watch going by, it hits on a wall or like a hallway or something, like entryway. And I think hopefully these will take the brunt of it. I have one little scratch somewhere in the middle of the crystal, so hopefully this would prevent that going forward. I don't see this being a problem, and now it may make some slight marks where it's at, but I really don't care. It's a G-Shock, and it's protecting it from harder, obviously, impacts compared to just what's sitting there would do. None of the buttons are obtruded. I would still call this a review. It's just a solid, inanimate piece of ruggedness, and I just don't see it changing. Probably last longer than the watch itself will. And I think it's a veteran-owned business in California, so anything we can do to help the friendlies that are there. And now would probably be a good time, just instead of getting another big watch or something, just get some nice accessories to make the existing ones you have a little bit better, a little bit different. And I'm really happy with it. So really easy installation, very affordable, looks great. So thanks for watching and seeing me in the next one. Have a good one.